Number 1. Mini Dry Erase Lap Boards. These lap boards are perfect for students. They're reusable, saving paper and money. The boards are made of durable hardboard that withstands daily use. Rounded corners prevent injuries. Erase cleanly without smudging using the included eraser. Use lapboards for math problems, writing practice, and art drawings. Take them anywhere. They're lightweight and compact. Includes lapboard, markers, and eraser. Number 2. Colored Pencil Set. Unleash your child's creativity with the 72 colored pencil set. It has 72 rich, vivid colors that blend smoothly. The high-quality, non-toxic pencils are safe for kids. Each pencil is labeled with the color name and number for easy identification. The storage box keeps pencils organized. Use these colored pencils for coloring books, drawing, sketches, and more. The colors mix well to create new shades. An ideal gift to encourage artistic expression. Number 3. Oil Paint Set. This set has 40 rich, vibrant colors to fuel creativity. The professional quality paints are highly pigmented for bold, vivid hues that won't fade over time. The thick, creamy formula provides excellent coverage and blends smoothly. Great for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals. Used to create stunning works of art, portraits, landscapes, and more. The oils glide easily onto canvas. This set makes a wonderful gift for art students and teachers. Number 4. Glow in the Dark Paint. Light up the night with Magicfly Glow in the Dark Paint. This set includes 10 vivid neon colors that absorb light during the day to brilliantly illuminate after dark. The innovative luminous formula ensures long-lasting glows. Shake up creativity with the easy-to-use leak-proof bottles, perfect for controlling paint flow. Apply the non-toxic glow paint to canvas, wood, rocks, pumpkins, anything you want to make neon bright after sunset. Students and artists will love expressing their creativity with these glowing acrylics. Number 5. Marble Run Set. This 127-piece marble run set provides hours of STEM learning fun. Sturdy, non-toxic plastic pieces easily snap together to build exciting tracks, send marbles racing down ramps, and through obstacles. Enhances hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. Kids will love creating new configurations and watching the marbles roll. An engaging interactive toy for independent play or family time.